Hello guys, back with another YouTube video. Today we're going to be talking about Hurricane Julia that has made landfall in Nicaragua, plus a severe weather threat that is possible Tuesday and maybe even Wednesday and Thursday on the upcoming days here. So let's start this video up. Right now, Hurricane Julia has winds of 75 miles per hour. This is the potential track. It is a Category 1 hurricane, and by now it could potentially be downgraded to a tropical storm. But the next update hasn't came out yet. There is now tropical storm warnings in effect for El Salvador. Portions of the western coast of Nicaragua is now under these tropical storm warnings with this. This is forecasted to head back on the sea in the Pacific Ocean and head onto the sea by 2 a.m. on Monday. This is the potential track of it. It is a low-end Category 1 hurricane at the moment. Watches and warnings are in effect right now. This shows watches and warnings in the tropical storm force and hurricane force winds. There is a small area of hurricane force winds in central Nicaragua right now, and a lot of central Nicaragua is getting impacted by tropical storm force winds with this at the moment, and very, very heavy rainfall is ongoing with this here. This is forecasted to head back on the sea. Now we're going to switch over to the potential severe weather threat that could get concerning here later on. We do have a marginal risk of severe storms that is in effect on Tuesday, day 3. There's a 1 out of 5 marginal risk in the dark green shaded areas out in here. This does include portions of Kansas City, Wichita, Omaha, Des Moines, Grand Island, Salina, Columbia, Quincy, Peoria, WQ, I don't really know how to say it, Rochester, and Sioux City is under this risk of severe storms on day 3. And this could eventually head down into these areas here on the next outlook. Speaking of this, we do have an upper level trough ejection that is ongoing with a big low pressure up in South Canada here. And this thing is forecasted to dip down into portions of the northern plains and central plains here with a big upper level trough ejection here with strong wind shear likely. Now, what we really have here is a massive cold front that's going to head in with this. We have a upper level trough ejection, not strong, but isolated moisture, and a warm front and a dry line, and this could cause severe potential here. Cape, it's not the highest, instability is lower right now, but things could definitely change here, as we do have some areas of isolated up to 62 degrees of dew points or moisture across portions of the dark green and the light blues here. So that's indicating more moisture with this. Now if we take a look at the precipitation here, this is what the precipitation is looking like with this. They're showing right around 78 hours out, a big strong line of storms could form over portions of central Kansas, North Missouri, up into portions of South Iowa here, and this will head down and strengthen from there, and we could see a substantial severe weather threat form across portions of the central plains as the National Weather Service has been hinting of this to potentially happen, as the National Weather Service has talked about a day 4 or 5 15% risk of severe storms could get issued in the further outlook once more confidence is shown in the next day or so here. So that's definitely not good, and this is something we need to be well aware about. Remember, this is still far out, and from here we're just going to get more and more information. Hope you guys like this video, and bye, guys.